My friend sent me a link from the dark web just as a joke. It was for a smart doorbell. The description said, "See who's at your door, even if they're not there." I thought it was a bad translation, so I ordered it for fun. It arrived today. I installed it, and the app immediately showed a notification. Visitor at the door. I looked through the people. No one. The app showed a live feed of my doorstep, empty, but the notification was still there, blinking. And then I saw it. A faint, shadowy figure on the screen, getting clearer with every blink. Now my phone is buzzing again. It says, "Visitor has been waiting for 1 hour. Would you like to let them in?"